Hi, today we're going to learn how to use VPN to stay secure and private online. Wow, this is a tough job. Just kidding. When you use NordVPN, all it takes is just a single click. See for yourself. Click, and you're browsing securely on public Wi-Fi. Click, your ISP can't see what you do online. Click, and you're in a different country. Well, virtually. Any device you have there, NordVPN has you covered. Everything else is just details. But if you care to know more, NordVPN has more than 5,000 servers all over the world. It protects your sensitive data with advanced encryption, shields you from malware and phishing sites, and keeps no logs of your online activity.
Click link in the description and get 68% discount for your first order. Preventing fogging using household items. Rub soap on your mirror. Before showering, run a bar of soap over the mirror lightly, making sure to cover the whole surface. Take care not to rub the soap too hard, or the soap scum will obscure the mirror completely. You can do this exact same experiment with liquid soap or Vaseline. If you are concerned about the appearance of your mirror after rubbing soap on it, use window cleaner to clean away any excess soap. This should leave your mirror looking clear, even after being subjected to steam. If you don't want to do the whole mirror or can't reach parts, just cover the parts that you need, like the area where your face will be. Use shampoo on your mirror. Pour a small amount of whatever shampoo you have available onto a folded paper towel. Use your paper towel to wipe the shampoo over whatever part of your mirror you want to keep clear. Then, take a clean paper towel and use that to wipe the mirror dry. Use twice the amount of shampoo you would normally use to wash your hair. Make sure to wipe the mirror completely dry, otherwise you will end up with a blurry-looking mirror. This same trick can be done using shaving cream, toothpaste, and laundry detergent. Use whichever one you have handy. Make a vinegar solution. To create your mixture, combine 1 cup of vinegar and 1 cup of water. Stir the solution until you are satisfied it has been sufficiently mixed. Pour the mixture into an empty spray bottle and spray the mixture directly onto your mirror. Use a paper towel to wipe the mirror down. For a little more defogging power, add a few drops of dish soap to your mixture. This method should last a couple of days, so continue to respray your mirror as necessary. Preventing fogging when you're in a rush, or in a rush, in a rush, or in a rush, 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 or in a rush, or in a rush, or in a rush, in a rush, in a rush, or in a rush, in a rush, or in a rush, in a rush, or in a rush, in a rush, in a rush, or in a rush, or in a rush, or in a rush. Run cold water. Your mirror becomes foggy when the water vapors from your hot shower condense and touch a colder surface like your mirror. To prevent your mirror from fogging, run your shower water on cold for 30 seconds before switching over to hot. This will keep your shower and the surrounding areas cool, so that when you switch over to hot water, the fog will not form as quickly. Keep in mind that the fog will form eventually, so if you are taking an exceptionally long shower, you may still see some fog on your mirror when you emerge. Also keep in mind that the success of this strategy relies on the length of the shower and the size of your bathroom. A bigger bathroom will take longer to form fog, while a smaller bathroom will fog up faster. If you have a smaller bathroom, run the cold water for a longer period of time. Cover your mirrors. If you're looking for a very quick and very easy way to keep your mirrors from fogging, simply drape a towel over the mirror to protect it from moisture. If you can't drape the towel because of the way your mirror is hung, try sticking it to the wall using putty or thumbtacks. Just watch out for holes in your wall. Open your doors and windows. If your mirror is fogging up, to do this, open any available windows or doors to allow in a cross breeze. This will prevent the water vapors from forming on your mirrors, causing the fog to appear. This method is generally more unpleasant in the winter and should be reserved for warmer months so you don't get sick. Use a hairdryer. If you forgot to defog your mirror before climbing into your shower, don't fear. There is an easy way to defog it after the fact. Take out a hair dryer and aim it at your mirror. Keep the dryer close to the mirror, but not close enough that it touches the mirror. Continue blasting the mirror until the fog clears up. You can set the hair dryer to either hot or cool. It should work either way. Preventing fogging using specialty products. Purchase Rain-X Interior Glass Anti-Fog. This product, which can be purchased in stores or online, is specifically designed to prevent your mirrors from fogging. To use it, either wipe it or spray it directly onto your mirror and then pat your mirror down to dry. This is the most successful method of keeping your mirror from fogging and can last for up to 27 days at a time. Keep a bottle under the sink in your bathroom and do a quick spray every month. Try adding glycerine when you wash your mirrors. Glycerine can be purchased at pharmacies or online. To use it, pour a splash of glycerine into a bucket of water and mix the mixture thoroughly. Dip a rag into the mixture and use your rag to wipe down and clean off your mirror. The glycerine will keep the mirror from fogging up next time you use the shower. Glycerine is non-toxic, so it's fine to get it on your hands. Have a defogging pad installed for your mirror. The pad is electrical and adheres to the back of your mirror and is guaranteed to clear fog from even the steamiest of bathrooms. This method is both expensive and time-consuming and is therefore not recommended if you are renting your home. Because the pad utilizes electricity, and because you will have to remove your mirror to install it, you should hire a professional to take care of it. Depending on the size of your mirror, the pad will cost at minimum upwards of $100.